Hello friends, welcome back to Gadgets India, and here I'm back again with another unboxing and first review. So, unboxing of the Jabronix smart plug is called SP116. So we'll just unbox it and see how it looks like and how it works. So I ordered it from Amazon, and as soon as you just open it, this looks to be a tiny box. As you can see, this is tiny box with just the smart plug inside it. As you can see, it supports the Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. It also supports 16 ampere of output, control from anywhere. You can do control it from anywhere. Energy monitoring and scheduled control also you can do. Then this is how it looks like. We'll just unbox it and see you as well how it looks like. And this is how all these are supported. So as you can see, this has been imported by Jabronix. The MRP is 2,990, which seems ridiculous, but I got it from around 790 rupees from Amazon. You can even got it for less if there's a deal going around. So I'll give you the Best Buy link in the description if you want to buy now, or you can wait whenever there's some good offers coming up. Alright, so as soon as you open it, you look like this. This, as I said, supports 16 ampere. There's an on-off switch on the side, like this, and also you have the plug out here. But just let's plug it in and see how it works. I plugged it into a 16 ampere socket. If you look at this will not go into this smaller socket. This is I think 6 ampere sockets, but this goes into a 16 ampere socket like this. And once you connect it to this, then you just have to switch it on like this, and then just the small plug connect power will work, and your phone will connect to the Wi-Fi, and you can open the app there. It's called Jave Home, so you need to open that app in there. So I'll show you in my screen how to open this app and connect to this device. So let me take you to my phone screen and I'll show you there. And this is how the app interface looks like, and we'll see how exactly it looks like when I show my screen. Alright, so let's first of all go to the the Google Store, and just search for Jave Home. This stands for Jabronix Home, and just click on open this, and either you can log in or sign up. So if you're just looking for the first time, just sign up, then enter the password and click on done. Right, and once you're there, just click on add a device. Just click on add device, and it's a smart socket. Just click on socket, and you can just allow it, and just it's indicated it should blink, then only you should connect it. Yeah, it has successfully added it. Now I think we're all set. You can just give it any name you want, then you're all set. Now you go to your home, you will find this, and just click on that. You will be able to control it. So whether you want to switch it on, switch it off. So this is how you just can power it on, power it off, have a timer on. So just schedule specific times, like you want to just switch it off after some time, just put a kind of repeat it after, let's say every Sunday, Monday, whatever duration you have. So you can schedule as per your need. You can also have a countdown of exactly, let's say if you want to switch it on after let's say 30 seconds or 30 minutes or whatever. So you just can add the countdown and just click it. So it will just wait for 30 minutes and then it will switch it on. And in terms of electricity consumption also, it will show you how much electricity has been consumed, so that you can see over here. So that's this exactly, every month you will see what exactly been consumed by this specific power output. It will help you to make your home digital and smart home. And there is really very limited number of 16 ampere smart plugs in the market, and this is available at a good price. Even though if it can be even be better, but at least at this price point it looks good. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. That's a quick review on this product, and I hope you like this video. If yes, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, because I bring in such videos almost every day. And if you have any specific product for unboxing or review, just put it in the comments and I'll be happy to do that. Thanks a lot for watching.